How to change phone number in Yahoo Mail app. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number in the Yahoo Mail app. This is useful if you need to update your contact details or recover your account. Whether you've changed phone numbers or simply need to update your account security, it's really easy to change the phone number in the Yahoo Mail app. So let's go through the process step by step. First things first, open the Yahoo Mail app. If you don't have it installed yet, go ahead and search for it in the Google Play Store. Here, as you can see, simply tap on it and download it. Now, open the Yahoo app on your device. Now, what you need to do is tap on your profile icon in the top left corner to open the menu. From there, choose Account Info. Now, tap on Account Security. If prompted, enter your password to continue. This will take you to the security settings for your account. Next, scroll down to the account recovery options where you'll see the phone number currently associated with your account. Tap on phone numbers or add recovery phone number and enter the new number you wish to update. Once entered, tap save to update it. Yahoo will then send a verification code to the new number. Once you receive the code, enter it into the app to verify and confirm the change. And that's it. Your phone number is now updated in your Yahoo Mail account.